Hello everybody, welcome back to Plot 97A. My name's Simon and I hope you're all really well. Well, it's the 3rd of October 2023, Tuesday, and just going to give you a quick progress report on how we've been getting on. We worked down here Thursday, Friday and Saturday, and I think, well, it was definitely worth it. I've taken one limb off the bottom there, as you can see, the limb that was kind of branching out this way. It's always, I mean, it's a beautiful specimen. It will definitely survive, and it just opens up this area here, this space here. The compost bin we got rid of, and probably about 60-70% good compost, so absolutely brilliant win there. And it just opens up this space now, and these slabs are picked up from just up the top end. They don't make slabs like this anymore. These are proper councils. Yeah, but they'll be absolutely brilliant for getting our hard standing. Now, no concrete, we can't use any concrete. It's always been a hard and fast rule of allotments, but we can use sand. So I'm going to use sharp sand just to bed them all in with. So 4 or 5 bags of sand should do it. Excuse me. And these are some of the raspberry canes that we took out. I put some down on the table, and a few have gone, but it's amazing how these raspberry canes, they just seem to, they're just so invasive, these things. All down there was full of them. I must have taken 25-30 young plants up, and they're all down there as well, so if anybody would like them, they're more than welcome. And unfortunately our poor tree, it was dead. It was completely dead. It was diseased at the bottom. So what I've done is I've dug it out of the roots, and we're going to make a bird table with it. We're going to make a feature with it. We're going to actually do something with it. And this brings us on to Sycamore Gap. What can you say? What is there to be said about an act of just bizarre, brutal vandalism? Yeah, it's just devastating. Just absolutely devastating to see the mindset of people. But our Dorset palms, we're saving those. we're going to put them in somewhere. Maybe the entrance, one either side of the gate, because we're going to be putting a bit of a new fence and a bit of a new gate on. So those Dorset palms may look nice. And that was the compost that we got from the bin. So that's going to be spread onto the beds. But look at all this. Beetroots. And there's white turnips in there. I'm pretty sure these are leeks. Some spinach. And a bok choy down there. Yep. I'm probably wrong, but this is the kind of stuff that we need to produce. Fast growing, fast turnaround, especially salad stuff in the spring and summer. Crops that we can turn over in 6 to 8 weeks. This is kind of our thought process, but it's still, you know, we're still just getting there. Got a right good old clear up along here. So we can actually see our footprint now. So our big bed will probably come to about here. And then we'll have a nice path to about here, and then this will all be perennials. So big clear up. Glad we done it. Kind of gives us a basis to start off with, and phase 1 out of the way. Good old tidy up. We've done that. Thank you all for watching. Have a great gardening week, guys. Bye for now.